Hello, Chef here. So I'm back in the kitchen again and I'm making grilled pineapple. First you cut off the top, you cut off the bottom, stand it up, and go all the way around, removing minimal amount. Okay, so for grilled pineapple we want to cut this into rings, approximately 3/4 of an inch or an inch thick. I'm going to be cutting them like this. Here we go. Then you use a core like this to remove the core, so the rest of it will be edible. I'm just going to remove as much of the core as I can. Okay. There we go, the edible fruit. Okay, so for grilled pineapple, you take your pineapple, you heat a little grill like this, you put just a touch of olive oil along the pineapple. Turn slightly. Nice. Grilled pineapple. Ah, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. This is edge grain rock maple. And moving right along here, this one here is end grain rock maple. They're both really, really nice. And you can select these based upon size, thickness, dimensions, weight, movability, finger handles. Big heavy block, not going anywhere. So check it out, support your sponsor right there. Have a wonderful day.